So this is the X chromosome and this is the Y chromosome. As you see, X chromosome is large, where the centromere is just above the center, that is submetacentric, with approximately 155 million base pairs and carries around 900 genes. So this is a large chromosome compared to Y chromosome. Whereas Y chromosome is a small chromosome that is acrocentric, as centromere is far away from the center towards the end, with approximately 59 million base pairs and coding for just 50 to 60 genes. In both these chromosomes, there is a short homologous segment that is located at the tips of both X and Y chromosomes in mammals, which is called as pseudo-autosomal region, that are essential for proper pairing and segregation of sex chromosomes during meiosis. Now let us see the difference. X chromosome is largely euchromatic, very active chromosome, contains genes for female sexual developmental traits and also vital non-sex traits like blood clotting, color vision, etc. Y chromosome contains the master switch for male development, which is called as SRY region, that determines the sex or maleness in mammals. X chromosome is present in both males and females, whereas Y chromosome is present only in males. As you see, the genotype of male is XY. So the male is heterogametic, can produce X sperm and Y sperm, whereas female is XX, can produce only one type of gamete, that is X gamete. One of the X chromosome is inactivated in females, which is called as bar body. This X chromosome is randomly inactivated in each somatic cell during early development to balance the gene dosage with males. As you see, in females there are 2 X chromosomes compared to males where there is only 1 X chromosome. Whereas Y chromosome does not undergo inactivation. X chromosome is essential for life. No human beings or mammals can survive without at least 1 X chromosome. Whereas Y chromosome is not essential for life. As you see, in females, there is no Y chromosome, and females can survive even without Y chromosome. Thanks for joining 2-Minute Classroom at Biology Exams for You. Take care, stay blessed.